Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video is something exciting. Today we are gonna experiment Google's new product launch, Google Omni, the video generation tool. Alright, yes, it's for the paid version. It's for the paid version. So I've upgraded my subscription. So I've updated my subscription. All right, so if you're living in Indonesia, let me just first you go to your profile, all right, and manage subscription. Okay, in here you can change membership plan, so monthly or annually. So I have choose my current plan is Google AI Plus, which is 19,000 per month, which is honestly enough for me. But you can upgrade your plan also. So Google AI Plus, Google AI Pro, Standard, and if you're interested, then there is a Standard plans, downgrade options, standard 48,000 per month, basic 32,000 per month, light 14,000 per month. All right, so mine is actually the standard plan. I have choose the basic plan also. So mine is 19,000 per month, and actually the original price is 75,000. But when you purchase your plan, it's like Google will give you a discount 19,000, and this will be paid for 3 months, guys. This is already paid for 3 months. So if you want, you can choose your plan wisely, guys. Okay, and if you think that this is not satisfied, then you can cancel your membership plan. Again, go to manage membership, all right, and change your plan. You can cancel your membership plan, just cancel from here. All right, okay, so now we are gonna experiment the tool. Okay, I am pretty excited because I have been using free tools actually, so this is something new. All right, so before we start, we are gonna create. So before we start, if you're a creator, designer, marketer, student, or anything who is simply curious about AI, you're gonna love this tool. Today we're gonna explore Google Omni and learn how to create a professional content in minutes. Alright, so let's jump in. So this is like you have seen how Google Gemini is, right? Alright, so first I'm gonna just upload I have my image prompt. First I'm gonna put my image prompt. Okay, I have my Notion link ready. Okay, so first I'm gonna generate images first. All right, let me go to my Notion and let me scroll down. It's refreshing. Okay, so I have my product image here. Okay, we are gonna use this one. Okay, and I'm gonna go back, create an image. All right, and you can choose any product. So I'm gonna choose the default one. Okay, this is cool, but I have entered another prompt, so let's see how the result is. Oh wow, I love this one actually. Okay, so I'm gonna let's download this image. All right, and we are gonna create a video. Okay, new chat, of course. Okay, I can copy this, go to new chat, create a video, paste. Okay, and then from here you can decide your aspect ratio. I'll go with the portrait size. Okay, and here you can add your picture. I have added my picture already. Now I'm gonna go to my video prompt 1, and I'm gonna enter, all right, my video prompt, and submit. Now let's see how this is. All right, so I'm pretty excited actually to see the result, the paid version of Google, because I have been using free tools actually. So pretty excited. And by the way, if you want to create a fake brand with your name on it, you can watch my previous video. I have explained the tutorial how to do it. All right, but plus if you're discovering a issue, then feel free to contact me and I will try to help you out. All right, so this will take a while. So once it's ready, then I'll be back. All right, so we have our result.
Welcome to the next generation of power. Experience the pure, raw energy of the future, amplified by artificial intelligence, AI Volt. Reach.
Okay, honestly, it's fine, it's good. All right, I have entered the first video prompt. Now I have again attached the photo, and this time I have entered video prompt 2, video prompt 3, and the following video prompt scenes also. So in one, I have entered all the scenes video prompts from 2 to 6, and the ultimate cinematic hero prompt I have entered already. So now they are generating our video. So this is actually a way to enter all the video prompt in one. So we have our first video and second video which is being generated, so we just have to combine these two videos. And honestly, this is also a way to save your credits. So just after entering video prompt 1, enter video prompt 2 in the second chat section, but along with that 3 and the following scenes, so you can save your credits as well. Okay, we have our updated version now. Let's see how is it.
Power your potential.
Honestly, I think that this is cool, honestly, and you can see the product name also, Anshita AI Vault. So it's actually cool. Honestly, I'm loving it. So I will download this, and I will download this. Okay, so that's it how you can use this new updated new tool given by Google. And I hope you get the idea, guys. So that's it for this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to comment I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. And also don't forget to support the channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and keep supporting to this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.